The power of prayer. Jeremiah 33 verse 3. Call unto me and I will answer you. Prayer is not a ritual. Prayer is a relationship. It's not just the words you speak. It's your heart speaking to the heart of God. Some days God answers with direction and says, this is the path. Some days he answers with strength and says, you can do this, child. Some days he answers with peace and says, rest, I've got this. But make no mistake, God always answers. Don't stop knocking. Don't stop calling. Don't stop believing. Your breakthrough is on the other side of prayer. What seems like silence today is God preparing you for a shout tomorrow. Raise your voice. Pour your heart out. Shout. Cry. Whisper. God is listening. He's closer than your breath, nearer than your heartbeat. He is with you. So don't quit. Don't back down. Don't doubt. Prayer changes things. Prayer moves God. Prayer shakes the heaven. Call to him and watch him answer.